Hi friends, how are you today? Today's video is about a new topper that I received from a company called LilyHair, and they're at lilyhair.com. This is their Bionic Topper. Now they have a few toppers. I will list them in just a second, but this is specifically the Bionic Topper. And just some information about it, I'm looking over here at my notes, there are no knots in it, which is very interesting, no short hairs, it's undetectable, and it's durable. I think that's why they call it the Bionic Topper. It does come in several sizes. I got the largest size, I believe. They have a 3.5 by 5, and this is the base here that I'm talking about, a 5 by 5.5, a 7 by 7, and then a 9 by 9. I believe that's the one that I got. And there are several colors within each of those sizes. This is the package that I received from LilyHair. I did get it just the other day, but you know how the postage has been lately, right? So I really appreciated though that she wrapped it. I mean, how pretty is this? So pretty. And then she wrote me a sweet little note on the back of the little snowman there. I'm sure that yours won't come wrapped in Christmas paper since it's no longer Christmas, but I just think that's a really sweet thing that she did. Okay, this is really pretty actually. It's wrapped, it has an outer wrapping you can see there, and it has, you can see my lights, sorry about that. It has LilyHair there on the front. It says, "We live only to discover beauty. All else is a form of waiting." All right, so on the back, it just has information, just LilyHair, and then the printing information. All right, I got the packaging off. This is packaged so nicely. It looks like she put a couple things in here for me. So there is a pair of Christmas earrings, so I will definitely keep those for next year. How cute are those? And then some little hair clips, I think. That's cute. Reindeer antler hair clips. Those are super cute. And she included a brush, which is really nice. And then the actual topper is in a pretty bag. I love a pink satin bag, right? All right, so inside the bag, it comes in a plastic bag, which this is actually how I send, when I sell a wig, I will send it usually in a plastic bag like this. It just keeps it from getting anything on it, odors or getting wet or anything like that. So I appreciate that. On the outside of the bag, it has the information about what this particular topper is. So like I said, this is the Bionic Scalp Topper, and this is the 12 inches, and it's in the natural color. So online it's called NC, natural color. So inside it has this hair netting over the top, and it has some paper on the inside just to kind of keep the integrity of the top there. I can already tell this is really, really soft. This is definitely the biggest base that I've had as far as a topper is concerned, so I am excited about putting this on. So you can see here, this is a pretty big base. Like I said, this is 9 by 9. This one has 2, 4, 5 clips in it. So these are just pressure sensitive clips, so you just press on them and they clip. Okay, the top is, there's no lace front, so that's fine though, because it has a little bit of a shorter bang, it looks like. Yeah, a little bit of a shorter bang, or you could cut bangs in it, I'm sure. This is that mono top there, and so the mono top, what does that mean? That means that you can part it wherever you want to part it. Now usually when I get toppers like this, the part is kind of already made for you, but you can change that very easily. You can spray water on it, you can blow dry it to where you want it. You can, if you have a curling iron that's on, you can kind of just sit it there for a second and make the part more static for you. But actually, I'm seeing that it's pretty easy. I'm just brushing it with this wide tooth comb. It's pretty easy there, I believe, to kind of change the part. So I don't think that's going to be a big deal. Oh, I didn't even notice how the back, yeah, it kind of has that swirl there in the back, which I appreciate. And the hair does feel really good. As you can see, the top there is made to look like real scalp. Nothing has been done to this, okay? So it comes with a little bit of box hair, which is normal. Anytime you have, almost anytime you have a human hair piece, even synthetic pieces do that. They will come with a little bit of box hair. So what can you do for that? You can straighten it, okay? Because remember, this is human hair. Did I mention that? It's human hair. This is human hair, so you can basically do anything to it that you would do to your own hair. I would be careful though, you don't want to get it too hot, so I would keep it at probably, if you're doing like a straightener, like 350 or less, so you don't want to go too hot. You can also wash it before you put it on. I'm going to show it here definitely, but then go and wash it, okay? And that will help it a little bit. Now, when you're finished washing it, of course, anything that you would do to your own hair, you'd want to do to this too. You can condition it, you can put heat protectant spray in it, which I definitely would. You can do whatever you want to with it when you get it on your head or before you put it on your head. Okay. Now, I am going to put this on and it's going to be flipped out like that, okay? So remember, this is that box hair, but we can fix it. Now, I pulled it back just a little bit because I wanted to show you that you can pull out your own bio hair if you want to. I can think it probably just depends on the day for me whether I would want to do that or not. So I'm going to tuck it just a little bit. And you see here that I do have a lot of gray in there because I haven't gotten my hair colored in a really long time. So it's not so much going to match with it, which is totally fine, right? That's fine. But I can put some root spray in there to make it match, or I can just bring that all the way up to my hairline and keep all of my bio hair underneath. And then I can just wear it straight. I can cut bangs in it. Whatever I want to do, I can do. So I just want to show you really quickly. Feels really good on the scalp, like it's not buckling at all, which is really nice. I'm just going to show you what it looks like straight out of the box, okay? So you do have to put some work into it, which is totally fine, not an issue. But you know what? Maybe you like the flipped out hair. It's just not my vibe, but maybe you like it. Hey, keep it. And I like that, see, I'm brushing my hair with the topper. All right, guys, I took a little break and I wet the topper. So I just got it completely wet and blew it dry, and that's all I did. I decided not to flat iron it or straighten it, curl it, whatever, because I wanted it to just look natural so that I could show you exactly what it looks like. I think you have a good idea of the things that you can actually do with the topper. Flat iron, curl, put it up, beachy waves, tight waves, the crimpy waves, whatever you want to do, you can do, because remember, this is human hair, okay? This is human hair. Now, what I did is I moved the part just a little bit, so I'm going to come up so you can see there. Notice there is some gray going on here. I pulled out not a ton of my hair because I don't have a ton of it here in the front, but I did pull some out just to make it look really like my own hair, and I think it does. I thought about actually covering up this gray, putting in some root spray, but I was like, you know what? I kind of like it. I kind of like how it looks with that little bit of gray right there, because it just looks really, really natural like that. Let me show you the top. I will put in a side-by-side picture here for you so you can see exactly what my own scalp looks like and what it looks like now with this really pretty top. I think I mentioned that this comes in several base sizes. So this is the 9x9. I just want to kind of point out where the clips are. So we have 2 clips here. We have 2 clips right here on either side, and then 1 at the very back. And remember, I showed you the base of it. You can pull it. So this definitely did stretch to go over the back of my head, which means it's stretchable for people who have a different head size than I do. I didn't have to stretch it a lot because I have a fairly petite head, but I think if you have a larger circumference, you'll be able to really get it over the back of your head and stretch there so that it's comfortable for you. It definitely is laying flat on my head, which I really like. It's interesting, when I wet it, I was gonna just blow it dry on the I have like a little plastic wig stand, and I was gonna put it on that, and it just wasn't working. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna put it on my head. So that's what I did. I put it on my head and I just blew it dry on my head, and it was totally fine. I did notice, it's just kind of, this is kind of funny actually. I was like, why is it taking so long to dry? Like, I'm like blowing it dry, but then I was like, well, Jennifer, you're used to your thin hair that gets dry just like that. This is just normal hair. This is normal hair, what everybody else deals with, that people with hair that's falling out don't deal with so much. So it felt really good as I was drying it. I mean, you can see I didn't put anything in it. I did spray a little bit of the leave-in heat protectant spray, a little bit, but not much. But it is super soft and silky. I don't think I ever got a tangle in it when I was blowing it dry. So it feels really, really good. I'm going to show you what it looks like from all sides. Now, the back, you can see where my hair is like a tad bit shorter than this hair. So what I really like about this is that you can customize it to make it how you want to make it. I believe that this is more of a topper made for like putting volume or more of just more hair up at the top rather than at the bottom, which I think is what a lot of us who can wear toppers, what we need. I don't really need help with my hair back here. Like, I have enough hair back in the back, and so I don't need a ton of hair to cover up that hair. What I need is the top part. That's where I need the coverage, and so that's where the coverage is that you're getting. So just take note of that. When you see the back, you'll notice that there is like a little bit where my hair isn't quite that long, but I'm going to take this to my hairstylist and just have her cut it a little bit so that it goes right with my hair. I tucked a little bit here just to kind of pull it off my face. Let me take this off. I put this on because I was getting cold. This is my left side. I have a feeling it's gonna blow out the color because this hair is so dark. And this is my right side. As I said before, it comes in lots of colors. But like I said, this one is the NC, so the no color, which just means it's, I guess, virgin hair. It hasn't been dyed or anything like that. If you're wanting a color that you're really wanting to customize that they don't have, this is what you would probably need to get, because you can do anything you want to with this. So you can dye it just like you would your own hair, put highlights in it just like you would your own hair, color it, whatever, okay? Whatever you'd want to do to your own hair, you can do to this. Now, the other colors, they've already had some type of process done to them. So you have to be really careful about what you do to those, because it might kind of counteract with the coloring that's already been done to them. If you want to do something, I don't know, go green or something, you would want to get like this, so the no color, so that you could do whatever you want to with it. Now, LilyHair.com has other things. They don't have just toppers. I'm just looking at their site really quickly. They have clip-in hair extensions, tape-in hair extensions, halo hair extensions, pre-bonded hair extensions, and then for toppers, they have the Bionic Topper, which is this one, the Mono Top, the Swiss Lace, and the Silk Base toppers. And then for wigs, they have lace front wigs, monofilament, and 100% hand tie. And they have several styles. They have pixie, shag, bob, layered, straight, and then different lengths. Actually, I think I might want to try one of the wigs because they look really, really cute. They even have a color chart. Yeah, that's really cool, because a lot of websites you go to, they don't have all of that information for you, so I definitely appreciate that. I've been wearing this now for a couple hours. I wanted to take it out of the box, show it to you, do some stuff to it, and wear it. I feel like this is the most like my own hair, which makes me feel really comfortable. And I do feel that it's very secure on my head, which I appreciate too. I want to thank LilyHair for reaching out to me and sending me this topper. All they wanted was just my honest review. This has been my honest review. I've told you some stuff that, you know, you might need to do to the topper, cut it a little bit, but there aren't a lot of cons to this topper. I don't see a lot of cons here. I think this is a really good one to get if you are in the market for a topper. Check them out. They actually gave me, let me see. Yeah, they gave me a coupon code. So for anything that's on the site, it doesn't just have to be a topper. So the wigs, hair extensions, whatever, you can get $30 off with my code. It's Jennifer30, Jennifer30, and I don't make anything from that. That's not an affiliate link that I get anything from. That's just a coupon code for you that you can use for yourself. But I think that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day. Leave me a comment below. Like my video, don't like my video, dislike it, doesn't matter. It's all engagement, and I appreciate if you would do that for me. Again, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.